Me fi lend you money. Me fi lend you money. You better not try make the same mistake. Holidays are for people who have money. For braff. If you have money, go and braff and enjoy yourself. But if you don't have it, remember your light bill, remember your water bill, remember your youth them tuition, and remember the loan. Remember the loan if you have loan. So don't go on holidays spending a lot of money like you have it. Yes, you want to enjoy yourself and have a good time after hard work, but don't be programmed. You can go and enjoy yourself at any given time. Organize your own time to go enjoy yourself. Holiday you out and sporting, spending money like your last. Your last, don't be programmed. Save your money on holiday. Continue work.